Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to clear Google Sheets cache. So if Google Sheets is loading outdated data, not syncing changes, or behaving strangely, clearing the app or browser cache can often fix the problem. So the steps depend on the device you're using. So open Chrome, then click the three dot menu in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and go to Settings. Next, on the left side, select Privacy and Security. Now in here under privacy and security, select delete browsing data. Now at the top, select the time frame. Then next, right here, make sure you check cache images and files and cookies and other site data. Then click delete data to confirm the action. Then once done, reopen Google Sheets and reload your spreadsheet by clicking this reload button. If you don't want to clear all browser cache, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus R while viewing Google Sheets to perform a hard refresh. Now, if you're still seeing all data, you can try to refresh the spreadsheet. You can check your internet connection. You can sign out of your Google account and sign back in. You can update Google Sheets app or your web browser to the latest version, then see if that works. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.